Alright, let's get into it. This week, the courtroom drama everyone's been talking about finally reached its verdict. I'm talking about the federal trial of rapper Sean Diddy Combs and the high-stakes legal face-off led by Assistant U.S. Attorney Maurene Comey. If that last name sounds familiar, you're right. She's the daughter of former FBI Director James Comey. But this story is all about her own legal fight, and trust me, it was intense. So, what was at stake? Well, the prosecution, with Maurene Comey front and center, brought a laundry list of serious charges against Diddy: racketeering conspiracy, sex trafficking, and more. This wasn't just about one person. It was about exposing a pattern of alleged abuse, power, and silence stretching over years. Comey's team didn't hold back. In her closing arguments, she hit hard, saying Diddy never thought the women he abused would have the courage to speak out loud, and that he believed he was untouchable. But here's where things took a turn. After days of deliberation, the jury handed down a mixed verdict. Diddy was found on the heaviest charges: racketeering conspiracy and sex trafficking. That's a huge setback for the prosecution, especially given the national spotlight on this case. For Maurene Comey, who's used to high-profile trials, she worked on the Jeffrey Epstein case and led the charge in the Ghislaine Maxwell trial. It was a tough loss. But it wasn't a total victory dance for Diddy either. The jury did find him guilty on 2 counts of violating the Mann Act, a law dating back to 1910. Basically, this means he was convicted for transporting women across state lines for the purpose of prostitution. It's not the sweeping win the prosecution wanted, but it's not a free pass either. What's really fascinating is how Maurene Comey kept pushing, even after the verdict. She argued to Judge Arun Subramanian that Diddy should be denied bond, insisting there is serious relevant conduct here that will merit a lengthy period of incarceration. According to her, Diddy's actions, like allegedly being involved in firebombing a Porsche belonging to rapper Kid Cudi, showed just how far he was willing to go to silence people. It's also worth noting the family legacy at play. Maurene Comey leads the Violent and Organized Crime Unit for the U.S. Attorney's Office in the Southern District of New York, the same office her father once ran. Talk about pressure, right? But she's proven she'll take on anyone, no matter how famous or powerful. So, where does this leave us? For Maurene Comey, this trial was a high-profile battle, but the legal war isn't over. The mixed verdict means Diddy faces sentencing for those Mann Act violations, and prosecutors like Comey will keep fighting case after case. For Diddy, he dodged the most serious charges, but his legal troubles and his reputation are far from settled. And for everyone watching, it's a reminder: in the American justice system, even the most dramatic cases rarely end with a simple win or loss. Every verdict is complicated, every trial leaves its mark. Thanks for tuning in. If you want more breakdowns on today's biggest legal battles, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next one.